Welcome to this tutorial on how to find equilibrium in TradingView. In this video, we will explore the concept of equilibrium in trading and show you how to identify it using TradingView's powerful tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to spot areas of balance in price action that can help you make better trading decisions. First, let's define what we mean by equilibrium. In trading, equilibrium refers to a price level where buying and selling forces are balanced. This can often be seen in consolidation phases or ranges. To identify these levels in TradingView, we will use horizontal lines, volume profiles, and price action analysis. Begin by opening your TradingView chart and selecting the asset you want to analyze. Now, let's start spotting equilibrium. First, adjust your chart settings to a time frame that suits your trading style. For this tutorial, we will use a 1-hour chart. Next, look for areas where the price has moved sideways for a period of time. These zones indicate that the market is in balance. To mark these levels, use the horizontal line tool to draw lines at the high and low of the consolidation range. Finally, consider using the volume profile tool in TradingView. This feature allows you to see where most of the trading volume has occurred in relation to price. Look for high volume nodes, as these often coincide with equilibrium levels. When the price approaches these areas, you can watch for potential bounces or breakouts. That wraps up our tutorial on finding equilibrium in TradingView. Remember to practice and refine these techniques to improve your trading strategy.